I uninstalled version 3.11.9 of Python for the purpose to show an example of actually doing an installation via command prompt. First attempt I was actually using a winget, and I believe that my main mistake was I didn't actually give the version number, but let's try this thing a little differently. How about if we actually go to the path of where I actually downloaded the most recent version, and we'll go from there. So we'll just change the directory, and then we will try to do the installation. And we'll try to do a quiet installation, which means it's gonna skip a lot of the wizard that normally goes. And if I'm doing this right, it should go fairly quickly, or smooth, as I like to say to my kids. And here we go. And that is very quick. That's the case. So let's see. I was wondering what I did wrong. So I closed out the command prompt and I just opened up a generic one and then typed in python.exe, and it actually confirmed I do have version 3.13.3. So method did work, just not quite the way I planned. So take that as it is.